Hey guys, Juan Mazo here, and today I want to cover a topic that I think most people are probably going to hit at some point. Not that everyone hits this, but some people do, and you should really try to express yourself and deal with it. How to escape your 9 to 5 life. Here's the thing. Most people who have that thought have a couple things happening to them in life. A, they probably peaked kind of young and now they see that they're in this grind for the long haul and they're probably in their earlier mid-20s. Number two, they've been promised things over and over and over again in different jobs and they just don't see these things happening, so they feel like they need to take control and get out of it. And number three, they've been fed up with everything and now they need a way out. Whether it's the fact that they miss out on things because, their other friends and family are doing them and they can't go do it, or overall they're just unsatisfied with their life and they're not feeling as fulfilled anymore. Very normal things. Now, there's three main things people need to do in order to get out. And the first one is you need to start reading. Without reading, you're going to have the same stagnant level of knowledge on life in general. You need to focus on reading on topics such as things with your finances, things with your health, and things with your relationships. Remember, those are the three pillars that I follow for making all my types of decisions and for setting all my goals. When you start reading topics on these things, these are considered self-help. But reality, it's called self-improvement. Most people kind of die with about 20 years worth of knowledge from books that they gain, and all they have is experiences that are based on the initial knowledge they were given in life, right? But if you go and start reading on other people's lives, imagine reading on Steve Jobs' life. The dude lived to however many years. Add that many amounts of years and experience to your brain, right? Add different people's perspectives to things. It's important. Number two, you need to take massive action. Without taking massive action, all this knowledge that you have is really, really useless. It's essentially, you're as good as a dad who's really good at Jeopardy. Like, ooh, thank you, Wikipedia dad, you know some stuff. But reality is, without taking massive action, you're not going to be doing much of anything. And the last thing you need to do is have very little fear. Because most people are kind of afraid of losing stability, or they're just afraid of failing. But once you get over that initial fear, there's very little things you got to worry about. You're just going to be able to do anything. You're going to laugh at how silly things were. And really, you address fear by reading more books on self-improvement and being honest with yourself. There's nothing wrong with being honest with yourself. Once you understand that you need to go and do something about your life and change it, that's when you start thinking yep, it's time to start escaping the corporate 9 to 5. Highest recommendation, make sure before you leave, you have a business that can replace your income, and it's not just replace your income for a year, it's probably replace your income for a couple of years. Reality is that many people take the jump, and don't get me wrong, they succeed eventually, but it's really tough. Very strenuous, very emotionally draining. Make sure you have a very good support net as well. That's all I have for today. I hope this was a useful video. Let me know if this was useful or not. Let me know in the comments. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on all my social media. PM, DM me, let me know your questions. I love helping you people. It's been great so far. Keep an eye out. Thanks for watching.